Off the top at 5 tonight, President Donald Trump laying out his plans to reopen the economy. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for joining us. I'm Claire Kellett.
And I'm Samantha Jones, working from home. The president is expected to speak any minute. We'll bring that to you live as soon as it begins. Those details, though, coming the same day stay-at-home orders were extended in St. Louis County, city, and the entire state of Missouri. Missouri's will now run through May 3rd. The city and county say they plan to revisit that plan in mid-May. For now, Illinois' order is still set to expire next week.
Tonight, News 4 has live team coverage for you, asking what these extensions mean in our community. We begin our team coverage with Kim St. Ange in downtown St. Louis.
Claire, this order means businesses here on Washington Avenue and across the entire city of St. Louis likely will not be able to reopen fully for the next few weeks. The mayor officially extended the order indefinitely. Mayor Krewson, though, did say that she and her team plan to reevaluate everything on or before May 15th. Under this new order, businesses that are essential and still open will have to provide PPE gear for employees, which would include things like masks and gloves. Krewson was asked if there was any consideration of expanding what is considered an essential business to help out so many people who are not working right now. Krewson said a hair salon, for example, you really can't practice social distancing. Here's what the head of the health department had to say about it.
We understand that this has a significant economic impact. However, at the heart of what we're doing, our charge is to save lives during this epidemic. Our failure to save lives in our jurisdiction puts us in a much worse place than we would be otherwise.
There are some protests planned across the state of Missouri that are calling for the governor and different officials to reopen the economy. I asked Mayor Krewson if she's at all worried about those happening here, and if so, if she's doing anything to prepare. I'll share her response tonight at 6. Live downtown, Kim St. Ange, News 4.
As we mentioned earlier, the stay-at-home order has also been extended in St. Louis County with an indefinite end date. News 4's Venton Blandon has been checking in with business owners. Vinny?
Right now, Samantha, the county stay-at-home order extension is not welcome news for some business owners. Many of them are concerned about worrying for their own livelihood or the lives of others.
I mean, it's definitely tough. I've lost a lot of business from this.
Holly Swan is a photographer, so working with people drives her business.
That's my job. That is my lifestyle. That's the way I make money. So, of course, this has been really challenging.
The challenge is also there for St. Louis County Executive Dr. Sam Page.
I think you have to listen to people who can give you good advice.
Based on information from Dr. Page's team, he extended the stay-at-home order indefinitely.
But we know that we have to continue stay at home until we have robust testing.
He signed paperwork requesting $175 million in federal aid to get more tests to the county. He hopes then to lift the order in May.
I understand that this is, we're trying to beat this from spreading even more and making more people sick and dying and everything, but at the same time, businesses are dying.
The county executive says some of that money will go to small businesses, and Dr. Sam Page expects to get that money 1 week from tomorrow. Reporting live in Richmond Heights, Vincent Blandon, News 4.